This is SBL Swertia Chirata mother tincture. It is a homeopathic medicine that is used for various purposes. This mother tincture is believed to be useful in liver complaints, loss of appetite, bloating, and fullness in the stomach. It is indicated for acute and chronic malarial fevers, weakness, and prostration after illness, anti-helminthic, elimination of parasites like helminths, roundworms, tapeworms, and flukes. Hypoglycemia, it is indicated in hypoglycemia. It helps maintain blood sugar levels and antipyretic properties like reduces fever. This may be used for winter hair and scalp care. It is indicated for the management of cough and cold. It may help relieve headaches and fever. The tinctures may have application in vaporizers and nebulizers. It may provide relief from constipation and bleeding piles. It may help relieve inflammation and swelling of the joint. Take 10 to 15 drops in 1/3 cup of water thrice a day. Thank you.